I'll show you how you can do regular toes on the ground, what we used to call boys push-ups, even if you think you can't do them. Hi, I'm GloryB, and this is GloryB-TV, the lifestyle channel for mature women who want to look fabulous, feel amazing, and age gracefully. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do by clicking the red subscribe button below the video, and then click the little gray bell, and you'll be notified about each new weekly video, and all of the videos will apply to you. Currently, I'm doing 60 push-ups a day. Now, about 3 years ago, I was talking to my friend, Dr. Denise Shostak, and we were talking about women's push-ups and how good they are for building up muscle in the backs of the arms in particular. And I said, you know what? I can only do what we call girls push-ups. Knees on the ground, I can do a bunch of them that way, but I can't do the regular toes on the ground, what we call boys push-ups. And I told her I can only do 2. And she said, this is what you do. You do 2. And then you go do something else. And then you come back and you do 2 more push-ups. Then you go do something else and you come back. And for the 3rd time, you do 2 more push-ups. And you do 2 push-ups at a time. And you do that 5 times. And then you've done 10 push-ups. Not 2, 10. And I thought, you know what? What a great idea. I'm going to do that. And she said, so here's the thing. You do this day after day, 2 push-ups at a time, 5 times. And one day you'll realize, you know what? I can do 3 push-ups. Then you're doing 3 push-ups 5 times, and you're doing 15 per day. The thing is, you just want to have something to do in between. Now, I weave these in with my other exercises, but she said, you know, if you do 2 push-ups and you want to go brush your teeth, do that. Then come back and do 2 more push-ups. Then you go drink some water. Then you come back and you do 2 more push-ups. The thing is, it works. This is how you can get to the point where you can do more push-ups at a time, and it's very encouraging. Now, before I had my hand surgery, I was doing 15 push-ups at a time, 5 times. That's 75 push-ups. That's crazy. Then after the hand surgery, I had to start over at 2 again once I could do push-ups again. And I built back up to 15. Then I had foot surgery, and you know, you have to use your toes. So I was back to doing 2 again, and now I've built up to 12. Now, usually I don't do this on a mat. I do this on something wider, so I have my hands out wider, but you want to get as flat as you can and go down and come up and go down and come up. So that's my 2, right? 3. I'm not going to show you all 12 at this time, but after I do my last set, I like to do a nice little stretch. So I do the child pose from yoga after my last one, and it feels so good. Give this a try and comment below on your progress. I couldn't believe how easy this was to do once I took Dr. Shostak's advice and just started doing 2 at a time and doing it 5 times. And pretty soon I could do 3 and then 4 and then 5. It's amazing how well this works. I mean, I never thought I would get to the point of doing 60 push-ups a day or 75 a day. Now my goal is to get to the point where I'm doing 20 at a time times 5, which will be 100. Check out my other video on how to learn to do a Renegade row by clicking its image on the right side of your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.